In recent postings on his social media, Makell Bird, the man behind MacTown Media and ADED.US music distribution and promotions, has stated his desire to work with specific actors on some forthcoming television and movie projects. This list includes Denzel Washington, Robin Givens, Brad Pitt, Trina McGee, George Clooney, Berta Vázquez, Jeff Bridges, Charlie Sheen, John Cusack, Rick Moranis, Michelle Pfeiffer, Chow Yun-Fat, Mark Wahlberg, Hugh Laurie, Bokeem Woodbine, Michael Fassbender, Patrick Stewart, Keanu Reeves, Steve Martin, Eddie Murphy, Dave Chappelle, Kim Basinger, Laurence Fishburne, Samuel L. Jackson, Madeleine Stowe, Bruce Willis, John Goodman, Julianne Moore, Steve Buscemi, Gabriel Byrne, Jordi Molla, Salma Hayek, Penelope Cruz, and Catherine Zeta-Jones.